The Lord be with you. Oh, forgot to do this. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So I totally stole this from a YouTube short, and it's a gross oversimplification, but it's kind of a history of how we turned evangelism into a professional job. So here's the brief history. And again, this is a gross oversimplification, but I think it reveals the truth about, why it is that we're so scared to do evangelism. So the lay professional divide between quote unquote lay people who are the people of God and the professional clergy. So Constantine, 300s AD, professionalized it, made this hard distinction between full-time professional Christians, the clergy, and common, ordinary lay people. You get that. They're not professionals, and therefore it's not their job. The Enlightenment rationalized it. They reduced Christianity down to information, things that you mentally process. It's not an experience of the living God and true faith and trust in God. It's facts. The Reformation sermonized it. I don't know if I'd blame the Reformation for this, but that was the result. That is, you've got to be a brilliant, eloquent speaker. You've got to be able to speak clearly the gospel. You've got to be educated. You've got to go through seminary in order to preach the gospel. And the Industrial Revolution, with that came the assembly lining of Christianity. We put you through whatever it is, 3 weeks, 12 weeks, 10 weeks, 100 weeks, a school and an education to disciple you. It's no longer mentoring and saying, hey, let's do life together. And then evangelicals privatized it. It's me and God. It's my prayer life in my closet. It's me reading the Bible by myself. It's not about me living my faith and talking about God and Jesus and what he has done for me every day of my life. Okay. And evangelism, it does involve facts. It does involve speaking the gospel of Jesus Christ, but it is true that it really is about faith in the living God and experiencing the living God. So hope that helps. I could have said this better, and maybe the YouTube woman probably said it better, though it was a little jumpy. All right, God bless. Oh, I'm still going. Oh.